Hey guys, welcome to ProWorks TV, where we make home repairs simple and stress-free. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to replace a broken landscape light. If your front yard isn't shining the way it should because of bad uplighting, don't worry. This straightforward project you can handle on your own in just a few steps. Let's jump right in. First things first is safety. Let's turn off the power here at the transformer. You can also turn it off at the circuit breaker if you know where it is. Let's make sure you have everything prepared for this repair here. You want to have a pair of wire strippers, electrical tape, a small shovel. In my case, I didn't need one. And some wire connectors, preferably waterproof ones. Here I'm removing the screws from the old landscape light, and I'm going to reuse the stake from the old one to put onto the new one. Since these lights are the same ones, it should match up just fine. Now you want to strip off any of the old wiring and get yourself clean new wiring to screw your wire nut down on. You know, I found that you get a lot of these problems with landscapers. They're using their weed whacker in this area of the house, and they end up cutting your wire. And that's happened to me a few times, and this would definitely be a repair that would help you out in that circumstance. Now we're going to turn the power back on, and the light is working like it should be. My wife will be happy to see the lights are working again at the front of the house. At nighttime it really lights up the house and makes it look good. And being that it's we're fall winter time right now and the nights are long, this really makes the house look great. As you can see, sorry the video is not great because it is dark out, but you can kind of get an idea of what it does, how it lights up the front of your house. If you're interested in these lights, I'll put a link in the description. You can buy them on Amazon right there at the link. Once again, thanks for watching the video. And if you enjoy, please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.